morning friends, now we are in Thimphu. It's 6:30 over here and we have started for a walk. A beautiful look in Thimphu, see the sunrise and beautiful forest. What a beautiful view. The temperature over here is now 8 degrees Celsius and it feels good for a good morning walk. The roads are silent. There's nobody on the road in the morning. The dogs are also sleeping over here. So I'm walking to see if I see any tea counter to have some tea. Let's see if I find any chai wala in Bhutan, Thimphu. It's very early, so I don't think there will be any chai wala, but if I'm lucky, I'll get a chai. It's very cold, so guys, whenever you come to Thimphu, Bhutan, you have to take care of your health. Yesterday night my cough was started. I started having a bad cough. So I had medicine at the night, so now I can at least talk. So whenever you come to a place where the temperature comes down drastically to 8 degree, 10 degree, it is a chance that you may start with a cough. So don't worry, have a medicine. There are beautiful buildings. These are the apartments. So as I said, the green indicates the private houses. And over here, every house has similar kind of window sizes. They have to compulsory put the design as per the Bhutan architecture. But the designs are very beautiful. They look very nice. The ATM over here is Ruk Punjab National Bank. Oh, there is a music and spa center also over here. I think this is a monastery. Beautiful monastery. Oh no, in the night they said this is a Supreme Court. In the night I could not capture this as I was in the car. This is a Supreme Court. So beautifully made. But the decisions must be hard. And the top you can see the flags waving. There is a different indication to different colors. We'll again ask our tour guide today. So there is a Momo house over here. And there is a dog who is waiting for his food. Yeah, one more thing, there is a speed limit here, guys. You cannot travel your vehicle above 50 kmph. So there is a board over here, 50 kmph. Let's cross the road and let's see the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, where if you make any crime, I mean, usually in Bhutan no one makes a crime because the country is known for happiness. As you know, they don't measure GDP, they measure GPH, Global People Happiness. What a beautiful thought, Global People Happiness. And here's the entry gate of the Supreme Court. It's written, no entry, authorized personnel only. Again there is a beautiful dog. See how beautiful. See the design of the entry gate. It's very nice. Let's go ahead. Oh, new color car with the blue wheels. Oh, very nice, very nice. See the Supreme Court. See how nicely it is maintained. There's a beautiful garden outside the Supreme Court. And see this color, it's always gold. Even in the hotel also I've seen this gold plated thrones or tombs, you can say, small tombs. There is a vehicle, and see the beautiful view in the mountains. This Thimphu is located, the capital of Bhutan, Thimphu. See again here, the windows, they have a dimension as per the government architecture. Oh, there is one bird also at the top. If you can see, there is a bird. Are you able to see this bird? This bird. There is a bird design at the top. Totally located in the mountains, Thimphu. Temperature goes down in the night. As the morning sun rises, temperature goes up to only 12 to 16 degrees Celsius, and till afternoon maybe 25. A very good city. Okay, let's meet again after some time. I'll complete my walk and make one more video for you guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Good morning, friends. You can see the beautiful morning in Thimphu. There is a monastery over there. There is a cattle field all over spreaded, and beautiful mountains there. I just love the temperature today morning. It's 8 degrees Celsius. I'm having a walk of 2 kilometers, back 2 kilometers maybe, or 1.5 kilometers, back 3 kilometers. And it feels awesome in Thimphu. The temperature is good. There's a waterfall over there, small waterfall. The sound of the water is so calming. It feels good. There are pigeons also, guys, in Thimphu. You can see the pigeons. Beautiful cattle field. What a beautiful view. In the ranges of mountains, walking in the heaven. You can hear the sound of the water. I'll show you the water. Here comes the water. It's beautiful. It's coming from there. You can see the waterfall. It's beautiful, and it's then going down here. I'll show you one more view which is on my opposite side. I'll change my camera. Oh, that's good. If you like the video, like it, subscribe it. Thanks for joining Abroad Safari. Beautiful Supreme Court in the morning. And the sunrise has come. And there are some students coming. Maybe we can ask them for a quick photo. They are walking early in the morning at 7:22. So that means the school is maybe at 8 o'clock. There is a government school which is 1 kilometer from here, and they are walking and playing. They are naughty. They are walking in a line now. Good morning. Can we take one photo? Oh, great.
Yeah, there is a junction, so there's no traffic. Only one coin.
Only one coin.
Oh no. One coin. Keep standing. Look, they are giving first priority to right one. No?
Oh, great, great. So here there is no traffic lights and they give the directions to the people who are turning first. So discipline and humanity comes first in Bhutan.
Yes.
You can see a cycle person driving a cycle. Many cycles seen in Bhutan.
In town we are not using horn much.
Hmm.
For by chance it's emergency we used.
Okay.
Otherwise we use this light signal. No?
Right, right. Even though they say they don't use indicators, if it is emergency, then only they use the indicators. You can see MI showroom here.
That one is Gajatron.
Oh, there is a EV charger here.
Yes.
You can see EV charging stops over here.
That one is Gajatron.
Kajatron. It's a hotel, restaurant.
No, sir. This like vegetable market.
Vegetable market. Oh, it's a vegetable market.
But this one is newly modified
Oh, it's newly constructed.
by Deso.
This one.
Yes. Yeah, here also not.
Oh, there is no police over here, no traffic lights.
Yeah, here is our stadium.
Okay,
This is called John Limiton.
okay.
All ceremony done here.
Okay, all the festivals are celebrated here. You can see there is a seats, different seats also for sitting here. You can see events, all the events.
Yes, brother. 온도 안 할래 온도. 그래서 John Limiton 게 아니고 온도. Yeah, EV charger.
Yes, there is again a EV charger at that position. The green color indicates it's a EV charging station.
Yes, green.
So even Bhutan is bringing up EV in their country because they want to make their country good environment free.
Yeah, traditional way. Actually, our game this game.
Oh, there is archery going on over here. See, now you have to give a space first to the person who is taking a turn.
From this way, we can go slow.
Okay.
From this way, we have to go speed. If
Okay.
we are emergency, we have to take that one.
Okay.
Otherwise, we can do from here now.
Right.
If we go that way and little slow, they will give this indicator like this.
Okay.
Sunlight
Okay.
only. Hit like that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. They are going faster.
Right. So if you want to drive on the left side, then you have to drive slow.
Yes.
And if you drive on the right side of the lane, then you have to drive fast.
They are all overtaking. No?
Yes, they are all overtaking from the right. So this discipline should be brought in India, at least in Gujarat, in Surat, in Bharuch, because they keep all the lanes occupied and you cannot drive fast.
And they are slow, so I'm taking this.
Yes. Okay. So if you want to overtake, you have to take the right,
And
then
take this
again
way.
go back in the left if you want to drive slow. Very beautiful concept in Bhutan. So there is a beautiful river which is flowing.
Even there is someone EV charging.
Okay, again you can see there is a EV charger. On the left hand side you can see two chargers. Very good service, very good. It's they have given good amenities in Bhutan, so thanks to the king who is doing such a good work over here.
That one is our traditional bridge.
Okay,
That one is called Bazam.
Pazam.
Pazam.
Okay, so you can see a bridge which is called Pazam. Pazam Bridge.
Yeah, this one is stupa.
Stupa. Okay. This is Stupa. Beautiful mountain. There's the king photo.
When people have to cross this, they have to go from zebra cross.
Okay, so when you cross, you have to use the zebra crossing.
Yes. If there are people crossing from zebra cross, we have to stop.
Okay, so
Whenever they have a zebra cross, we have to slow down.
slow down. Okay.
Yeah, our Bhutanese speed limit is 50.
Oh, right. You have to drive the car at 50 kmph in Bhutan. If you are found above that, you are fine.
Yes, sir. Around 2000 or 1700.
1,700 Bhutanese currency.
Yes. Yeah, that one is cap.
That is the cap, right? You can
Number plate with yellow and black.
number plate with a yellow and black. See the overbridge for the
That
people.
is there.
Oh, Mr. Rapshail is waiting for us.
So today